Yeah, yeah. Happy Christmas in advance. We at home. We at home. I'm not seeing you. We at home. Ha! How much are they selling fowl in your area? Tell me the truth. How much are they selling fowl in your area? We have poultry in our house. You can patronize us. We have poultry in our house. You can patronize us. Let me turn it so that you guys will see the fowl, okay? See. No, 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 I'm not seeing you. Hey! See. Plenty fowl for sale. How much? Do you guys should just guess how much this fowl is? Nigeria does scatter, seriously. How much this fowl is? This is too much. This is too much. Me and my son, we are here to buy fowl. We are here to buy fowl for Christmas. Seriously, it's not easy. But we are here, we have to do the Christmas. We must do it, whether the fowl reach how many thousand. People must chop fowl. People must eat fowl. See, business. Very nice. Oh, I beg. Say, guys, thank you for watching. We love you. Say, but love you. Say, love you, Papa. Say, bye bye. Ocha. Bye bye. See you guys. Merry Christmas in advance. Love you, love you. Mwah.